We have the first question from the line of Sige Rama Subareddy, an individual investor. Please go ahead.
Yeah, good morning, Prashant Kumar sir and other executive members in the call. So I've been individual investor of S Bank last 4 years before SBI taking over from last previous management. So here my question is like, we are like delivering the good numbers like every quarter, every year-on-year basis. Despite all the good performance showing by S Bank, there is no significant growth in the S Bank share price. May I know what kind of actions are being taken by at management side? That is my first question. And second question, as mentioned by the new management, after 3 consecutive years of the profit, we will be announcing the dividend. But somehow last year it has been, not given to the shareholders. Maybe is it planned in the next year or how it is? If you could address. So, and third question is like basically from the Japan and Dubai, some big banks are going to buy the stake, and because of that, we can see that last couple of year to date, S Bank share is performing down. So maybe if you could address these 3 questions, it would be helpful for the individual investors as a retail investor. Yeah.
So first of all, thank you so much for taking time out and participating in this investor call. Responding to your first question, I think we don't comment in terms of the movement on the stock prices. We as a management team strongly believe that we need to focus ourselves in terms of sustained and continuous the performance both in terms of business as well as the profitability of the bank. And if you have taken note, that bank has been able to deliver both in terms of business growth and the profitability on a continuous basis, which is moving upward in the right direction. And we would continue to do this. Your second question in terms of dividend after 3 years of profitability, we as a bank have a dividend policy approved by the board, and the board would continue to evaluate whenever we find it appropriate to distribute dividend to our shareholders. But at the same time, I would like to reassure you that we as a management team would continue to work in terms of optimization of return for all our stakeholders. Your third question, pardon me, but I think this conference call is limited on the basis of the performance of the Q2 of the bank. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you.